Come on in, ma'am. Welcome.
Hi.
Make yourself at home, please. docuPAD is a digital way of signing all the compliant documents. Your financial documents with bank contracts, buyer's orders, your D&B documents that is needed to complete a transaction. So it allows us to display different packages going through all the AutoGuard, your vehicle service contract, your maintenance, guaranteed asset protection, a car care interior exterior coverage, paintless dent repair, and road hazard wheel and tire. We can dial into each particular product, show the features and benefits and why it benefits the consumer. It does have interactive videos, illustrations, so the customer can understand and make an educated decision on why it would enhance their ownership experience. Reynolds and the integration with us, them having docuPAD, allows us to provide a great support to our customers. Not many other dealers can sit there and say that they can quickly do a demonstration, have your solutions picked in 10, 15, 20 minutes, and then give you your documents via USB or email.
Thank you.
If you need any assistance, please email me and I can get you any further documentation as well.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.